Okay, I didn't plan to make an unboxing video today. I was supposed to animate like a normal person, but no, my old headphone just died. And yeah, cause of that I couldn't animate for 4 days. Bro, I live in music. If my ear isn't filled with some pleasant sound, my brain refuses to function. Like seriously. No headphone, no animation, no productivity, no life. I need music to exist. Music literally is my oxygen. So yeah, I bought a new headphone. And not just any headphone, this is the Oneodio Pro C. And let's unbox my new emotional support device. Okay, let's do this. And before anyone says anything, no, this is not unboxing or review channel. This is an animation channel. If you like animation, stories, comedy, then please have your way with the subscribe button. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, so watch till the end. Alright, let's begin. Oh shit! Time to break the seal. By the way, मैंने पहले ही इसका सील तोड़ दिया था लेगाली. ओपन बॉक्स डिलीवरी थी ना, इसलिए कंटेंट का थोड़ा गैप आ गया था. उसका पूरा ब्लेम मेरे पुराने हेडफोन पे जाता है, तो ये वीडियो बस डैमेज कंट्रोल समझ लो. द कैरी बैग, ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Let's see what's inside. We have Type-C charging cable and the aux cable. The quality is wow, it's pathetic, but okay. And this is Oneodio C Studio Wireless C YATB Pro C. Okay, whatever it is. And inside we have okay. Packaging is neat, simple and clean. Okay, not screaming I'm expensive, but not screaming I'm cheap either. And the birth certificate. Just that cutie. Finally, headphone that hopefully won't betray me like my old one. First impression, it actually feels pretty solid. Not flimsy, not toy-like. This is giving budget but grown-up energy. So, this is Oneodio Pro C. It has massive 50mm driver, means big sound energy. Bluetooth version 5.2, not the newest 5.3 or 5.4. But honestly, it's good, it's stable, it's fine. It doesn't randomly disconnect while vibing. So yeah, 5.2, not ancient, not fancy, it's just usable. It's a dual mode headphone, Bluetooth for chill and wired for zero lag, editing and casual gaming. It has 3 function button, LED indicator and a built-in mic. And the sound isn't studio neutral, but it's not a bass only party speaker either. It's that good for everything type of sound. Music, movies, editing voice, all kinds of balance. Hear this. Wow. That was amazing. I know, right? I played some legendary games on this and the sound was... It has around 7K ratings and 2K global reviews on Amazon. Wasn't it supposed to be just an unboxing video? Before we move on, let me introduce you to the legend. My old headphone Anti-Sports H580. Served me well. Long hours, loud music, aggressive gaming. गेमिंग हेडफोन बोलते हैं इसको. 8GB था, माइक था, स्वाग था, पर साउंड क्वालिटी ने अपना बेस्ट टाइम ऑलरेडी दे दिया था. आज भी एक स्पीकर काम करता है, दूसरा सिर्फ मेमोरीज देता है. Alright guys, that's it for today's unboxing emotional support session, whatever it was. And yeah, I'm working on my next animated story project. It's coming very soon. I know you guys are waiting for my video for so long. You guys? Hut! Charat! So, if you like 2D animation stories, do the usual YouTube ritual. If you like the video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And if you did not, at least pretend you did. Or just comment nice headphone, bro, so the algorithm thinks I'm famous. I need moral support, bro. Alright, that's it from my side. You guys stay awesome. See you in the next story. And don't forget to check out my Insta. Bye. Bye. अबे 3D दिखा। ओ ओके।